everyone, welcome back. I hope that you're having an amazing day today. If this is your first time here, my name is Theo. Welcome. So for today's video, guys, I am actually going to be unboxing both of the mystery boxes that Morphe released for the holiday season. So if you're interested in seeing what kind of surprises I got in these boxes, stay tuned. So Morphe released two mystery boxes. One of them is a 5-piece eye collection and it's called the I Love Mysteries, and that's this one. And the second one is a 9-piece face and eye collection and it's called the Surprise Box, and that would be this one. So I'm going to go ahead and open them both on camera for you. But before I do that, I guess I should tell you the price. The price of the I Love Mystery Box, which is a 5-piece eye collection, was $35. And the price of the Surprise Box with the 9-piece face and eye collection was $50. Now, I will tell you that I caught these on sale when they had the 25% off. So I paid 25% less for each box. I don't remember what exactly that was, but it was 25% less than $35 and $50. So anyway, guys, let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go ahead and start and open up the I Love Mysteries box first, which is this one. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what's inside. When you open it up, the box looks like this, and the products are just all lined up there in the box. Okay, so the first thing I am pulling out of here right in front of me is the 25A Copper Spice Artistry palette, and it looks like that. Let me go ahead and open it. Most of Morphe's packaging is the same. It's that sleek black packaging. So, and I don't have the 25A palette, so let's take a look and see what this looks like. Okay, and that's what it looks like outside of the box. Oh, okay, this is nice. It's just a really neutral palette. I'll show it to you with the sleeve first because the sleeve has all of the names on it. It's a nice palette, but it's very, 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 very neutral. And that's what it looks like without the plastic layer on it. Like I said, it's very pretty. I'm not going to swatch this because I already know I'm probably not going to use this. I already have some neutral palettes that are open, so it doesn't even make sense for me to swatch this. And I'll probably just wind up giving it away. So let's go ahead and close that up. So the next item that I'm pulling out of the box is some eyelashes. It says Premium Lashes, and they're in the style Posh. Those are very, very big. Very pretty, but very big. Huh, I wonder how those would look on me. I'll have to try. I'm nervous. I'll have to try those out. Again, those are called Posh. And I think their lashes are like $12. I'm not sure how much the palette is. I'll look it up before the video is over. Okay, and then we have a couple more things in here, 3 to be exact, and they are eye brushes. So there you go. We have 3 eye brushes. We have the Medium Shadow Fluff Brush, which is the M524. We have a Duo Jumbo Crease Brush, which is the M461. And we have the Deluxe Pointed Blender Brush, which is the M412. And that's that one right there. Okay. And you know what? I'm not going to open these brushes as well because I believe that I have most of these brushes, so I will pass these on as well. So I'm not going to open them. And most of Morphe's brushes perform pretty well. They feel pretty good. They're a decent quality, definitely. I have a ton of them, so I use them on a regular basis. Okay. So that was everything in this box, and the box is supposed to have a value of at least $51. So let me go ahead and add everything up and I will tell you how much this box was worth. Okay, so I've added up the total of the box, and the products in the box right now came to $45. This palette is on sale for $12, the lashes are $12, and each of the brushes was $7 a piece, bringing the total to $45. Now, in all fairness, the palette is on sale for $12. It's normally $19, so that additional $7 would bring this box to $52, $1 over the $51 that they promised. So let's move on to the next box. I'll give you guys my thoughts on both of the boxes at the end. Next up is the Surprise Box, and again, this is a 9-piece face and eye collection. So let's take a look and see what we got in here. Again, just to remind you, that's what the box looks like. Let's go ahead and open it up. When you open it up, the products are neatly packaged inside, if you can see that. Okay, so let's see what we got in here. The first thing I'm seeing again is some lashes, and these are premium lashes as well, and they are also in the style Posh. So I got 2 pair of these, 1 in each box. Okay. The next item in the box is Blushing Babes Pop of Pink. Oh, a blush trio. Okay, so this is a blush trio. I'll go ahead and pop this open. Okay, once again, it's in Morphe sleek black packaging. And let's see what this looks like. Oh, these are really pretty. Okay, and that's what they look like. And it does have a little mirror there, but that's what they look like. Those are very nice. And these are in the colors Rule Breaker, Free, and Spirit. And I think I would be able to wear these, especially Free and Spirit. So I'll go ahead and swatch them for you real quick. Okay, so the first one we have is Rule Breaker. This is Free, and this is Spirit. Now this is definitely a little light for me. What I'd probably do is use that in my crease or somewhere on my eye. And this one even seemed lighter than it does in the pan to me, but I could mix these two together and come up with something. So overall, it's a palette that I would use, if not so much on the face, on the eyes, but it's very pretty. The colors are nice and it's swatched nicely. So the next product in the box is a palette, and this is a 350S palette, Nature Glow Shimmer. I know I don't have this one either, so let's go ahead and see what it looks like. There you go. Oh, this is nice. Again, it's another neutral palette, but it is really nice. Go ahead and show that to you. That's with the plastic on. I'll go ahead and slide that off, and that's what it looks like. Again, a very nice palette, but once again, very, very neutral. Not sure if it's something that I would reach for on a regular basis, so once again, I'm not going to swatch it, and I'm going to go ahead and pass this along to someone else. Next in the box, we have a bunch of items in a plastic bag here. Looks like some brushes and a couple of other things, so let's go ahead and see what they are. Okay, so we got 3 brushes, and these brushes are the R11, which is the Deluxe Oval Shadow Brush, and that's that one. And the next one is the Pointed Highlight Brush, the R36, which is that one. And then the last one is the R39 Tapered Blending Brush, which is that one. Okay. These brushes are really nice, and they have that rose gold handle with the black. I really do like these. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and open this one because I know I'm gonna keep this one. I love a highlighter brush. Okay, this brush is really soft and feels really nice. That's what the bristles are like on there. And this is the highlighter brush. And this is one I know that I'll be keeping, so I went ahead and opened it and rubbed my fingers across it, but it feels really good. It feels really good. And I'll probably be keeping the tapered blending brush as well. Okay, so I'll put those aside. Now next we have a lipstick. Okay, and this is in the color Steamy. All right, let's see what Steamy's about. I've never tried any of the Morphe lipsticks, so this is exciting to me to finally be able to try one. The packaging is really, really pretty on that. I really like that. Oh, look at that red. That is gorgeous. Gorgeous red. Let me pop that up a little bit so you can see it. Gorgeous red color. Okay, let's go ahead and swatch this. Move it down a little bit. Give it a little swatch. Oh my God, that is so pretty. Look at that. Look at that. And that's called Steamy. That color is beautiful. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. All right. So yes, I do like this. This might actually be my favorite thing so far. All right. Now the next thing we have in here is a lip gloss. And this is in the color Froze or Frozy. See that? You guys can see what it says. Looks like Froze. Let's see. Pull it out. I haven't tried their lip glosses either. So, oh, that's pretty. Look at that packaging. I can definitely see putting that on top of another lipstick. That is beautiful. Let's go ahead and swatch it. It probably won't look like much because it doesn't have much of a color to it, but I'll go ahead and swatch it for you anyway. See how it feels. Oh, it's a little tacky, but not too sticky. That's the gloss right there. Like I said, you're probably just gonna see a little sheen, not much else. It does have a little stickiness to it, but not too bad. Okay, so I'm excited about this as well. I love a good lip product. All right, and the last thing I'm seeing in this box is a lip crayon. There you go. So we got 3 lip products. Let's go ahead and open that up. This is in the color IRL. And that's what that looks like. And that's the color of that. Now I'm not going to swatch this one because this color is really light and I'm pretty sure that I won't wear that at all. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the cap back on this, and I'll be passing that on to someone else as well. So how many products did we get in here? Let's see. So there are exactly 9 products inside of this box, just as they advertised. But anyway, guys, that's everything in both of the boxes. Now let me give you my overall thoughts. With the eye surprise box, I definitely was not really impressed at all. Yes, the palette is a neutral palette and the items in there are okay. Brushes were okay as well, but they're brushes that I already have. But, you know, it's a mystery box, and that's what you get when you purchase a mystery box. You don't know what you're going to get inside. So it's definitely okay. And do I think it's worth the money? Yes, if you're looking for some Morphe products, you definitely got more than your $35 worth. And in my case, I paid 25% less than that. So yes, it was worth the value for what I paid for it. With this bigger box, the surprise box, I actually like this box a bit better because it has a wider variety of products. And I loved all the lip products, except the crayon, which I'm actually going to give away. The palette was it's another neutral palette. It's pretty, but I just don't need any more neutral palettes. And the lashes I'll definitely keep, since I've been playing around with lashes lately. I want to see how different styles look on, so I will keep at least 1 pair of the lashes since I got 2 of the same lash. And the blush is really pretty. I can definitely work with that. So overall, I definitely think the value of the box was there for the money paid. And just so you know, the total value of this box is $101, exactly what they promise. Well, anyway, guys, that is all that I have for today. Let me know what you thought about these 2 mystery boxes down in the comments below. Did you get any of the mystery boxes? Are you planning on getting any of the mystery boxes? And just let me know your overall thoughts. But anyway, guys, that's all that I have for today. I thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me today. I truly do appreciate it. If you'd hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a like before you go, I'd appreciate that as well. And until next time, have an absolutely fabulous day. Take care. Bye-bye.